Hi, Jerry.
Well, I gotta wait for that red light to come on.
Well, that one's on. Welcome to the Auto Shop. This is the
Jerry
and Dr. Laura show.
I think it's number 5, but we'll see.
Yeah. So tell me, what's going on in the Auto Shop this week?
Oh, well, this is the today and tomorrow, the last day for Christmas Cops.
Christmas Cops.
We have been proud sponsors and supporters of Plano's charity for underprivileged kids and families. We've been giving them all kinds of fun things over the years, and this is another great year. I think this is year number 34.
Wow, you've been doing Christmas Cops for 34 years?
Shh, I'm old. Stop it.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, it's actually been a lot of fun. We've done everything. One year we gave them 400 bicycles. Our techs, we collected them throughout the year. A lot of folks have given us donations over the years, and we have... This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know, it keeps flipping. But keep talking and I'll fix it.
So we collected 400 used bicycles, and our techs and I rebuilt them. We brought all the new gear and tires and whatnot, and gave out 400 bicycles. That was an amazing year. We're happy to do that. This year we have some really fun things. Check out this. This is a cute little costume for, I think it's Wonder Woman.
Yeah, it's Wonder Woman.
And it even has a cute little cape. Is that the
That is adorable. Check that out. Ah, it's got a cape and the little shorts.
So my wife and I went shopping, and we spent way too much money buying way too many cute little costumes like this for kids.
And a lot of our customers also contribute to the Christmas Cops program. And we have one guy, his name is Ernest. He brought in all kinds of canned goods and just wonderful things to for kids to eat. So mini ravioli, yum. And,
num, num, num,
and
num.
Toys that are unwrapped. Those are also great.
Hey, I'm going to keep that one.
I mean, you can't keep it. That's for the kids.
He's cute, though.
He is cute. He's very soft.
So,
but I learned that you cannot give a toy like this to a baby because the baby will put it in its mouth and they can suck on the eyeballs and the eyeballs can come off and they can choke. So don't give this to a baby. Someone a little bit older.
That wouldn't be so fun.
Yeah.
That would not be fun at all. So that's one of the fun things that we're doing. So if you have anything that you would like to drop off, we are a collection point for Christmas Cops. Have been, again, for many, 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 many years. And tomorrow they'll come by and pick it up probably sometime in the afternoon. And then we have an oops.
Yes, we have an oops.
Some things you just can't prevent, and some things, even though we do have all of the great systems and processes for making things happen, every now and again something will fall through the crack and we have an oops.
And so that's part of what I do here at the Auto Shop. What
do you do?
Yeah, what I do is I check every single ticket. So these are the tickets just from this past week so far. And what I do is I go through and I make sure that everything is accurate. I make sure that what the technician recommended is actually what got done on your car. And so this includes anything in relation to labor, anything in relation to parts. So I check every single parts invoice and I compare to the repair orders to make sure that the parts we ordered actually got on your car. Making sure that everything is accurate. And so this makes sure that basically we keep it. I'm the one that's the enforcer that keeps everyone honest to make sure that everything goes according to plan.
You are so stinking cute.
Yeah, I know.
The enforcer. Can you imagine?
I know. Okay, so here's what happened. And this is also, I'm the one also that makes sure that all of the employees are doing their job right. And if they're not, then I'm also the one that fires them. So, yes, I know. You better do things right, Jerry, or you're going to get fired. Okay, so this is one that happened. So,
what happened?
One of our customers got charged twice for an oxygen sensor. And so when I got the parts invoice, there was only one oxygen sensor on there. But on the customer invoice, on the repair order, there were two. And so I went out and I spoke with the technician and I said, are there two oxygen sensors? Because I don't know anything about cars. I'm not a mechanic. I said, are there two
You just know how to fire people.
I'm good at it. So, are there 2 oxygen sensors that you put on this car? I said, no, it only required 1. And so then, okay, then I went and I spoke to the parts guy and I said, are there 2 oxygen sensors on this car? He said, no, I only ordered 1. And I said, well, somebody put 2 on the customer repair order. Who was it? And it turned out to be the parts guy. And long story short, he was doing a number of what he called fat finger mistakes. But you know what? I don't accept fat finger mistakes. And so I fired him. There were a number of reasons why I fired him, but this was really the icing on the cake because I had to refund. I called the customer, very nice man. All of our customers are fantastic. I called him up and I said, I think we charged you twice. In fact, I know we charged you twice for the oxygen sensor. You can
That's a mouthful.
Yeah, it is for me right now. So I said, you can either swing by and I'll refund the money back on your credit card, or I can send you a check. And he said, could you just send me a check? He said, by the way, how much was it? And I said, well, it was $254.38. And I am so sorry that we made a mistake. However, that's one of the things that's my job, is to check every single ticket to make sure that if there are mistakes, we get to fix them. And we appreciate you giving us the opportunity to fix our mistakes. I mean, we are human, but we try to make as few mistakes as possible.
You're so stinking cute.
I know, the enforcer.
Maybe 100 pounds soaking wet. She's the enforcer. Good God, that's funny. I don't care who you are. Okay, well, other than that, I hope everybody had great Thanksgiving.
Coming up at Christmas, we are open Christmas Eve, the 24th. However, we may close a little early, so I highly recommend that you schedule your appointment either next week, that is the week of the 14th through the 18th, to make sure that everything gets done so that there isn't the Christmas rush of cars coming in.
Yeah, we get really busy.
Please plan early. You can schedule your appointment at www.theautoshop.com.
That's that one right there.
Or call 972-578-0588.
And that's that one right there.
And schedule your appointment so that you can get your vehicle taken care of before the holidays, because also it's going to be cold next week. It's going to go down to like 27. I know, it's Texas. 27, 26, something like that. So
yeah, it's going to be cold this weekend, I know.
Batteries die when it's cold. So come on in. We'll check your battery for free to see the health of your battery so that you're not stuck out, trying to start your car.
She admitted she doesn't know anything about cars. Okay. So allow me.
Okay.
Batteries they break down because of the extreme temperatures. Either really cold or really hot.
Okay, I learn something new every day.
So this is why we have specials in the summertime and in the wintertime for a free battery inspection, because when the temperatures get above 100 or below 32 degrees, you will go out to your car and it will not even make a sound. And that's when you have usually a bad battery. It could be a bad battery, it could be a bad starter, it could be an alternator, it could be a number of things that could cause the vehicle not to start. But a lot of the times it's something as simple, that it's as simple as a battery that needs to be replaced. And the only batteries that we use here are interstate batteries. As long as we can get them, and you're not in a hurry. Sometimes we have to have them what is known as a hot shot delivery, where they bring it to us. But the hot shot lately, because of all this COVID business, has been reduced time, or extended time. It takes them longer to get us a battery if we don't stock it. I think we stock almost 100 batteries in our inventory right now. So we've got just about every battery that most of the cars need, and just know that it is temperature extremes, either really hot or really cold, causing them to go bad.
And these batteries also have a warranty, so that you are taken care of. So once again, schedule your appointment, plan early. A properly maintained vehicle is a very happy customer. So make sure that you maintain your vehicle so that you are always happy with your car and happy with your auto repair shop.
And
Thanks,
that's us.
everybody.
We'll see you next time.
See
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Bye.